For video C of lesson 5.9, we're going to be working with this graphic right here. Now, I want you to do your best to draw this in your notebook because all the questions we're going to be talking about today deal in this video are going to be dealing with this. So make sure you draw a 6-inch ruler, okay? And then mark it. First, it's going to be split into eighths, so just make maybe every square. And then we've got Gloria, which is going to come to here, and Mateo, which is going to come to here. Andrew's pencil is right here, and then Helen's pencil is right here. Now, as we go through, we're going to be discussing very specifically what each one of these pencils are in length. So I'm not going to give you that right now, but I want you to make the drawing to see how you do. So I pause the video and make this drawing and do your best, and when you're ready, restart the video and we'll start talking about these 4 pencils. Alright, 5th graders, now that you've got this drawing done, what I want you to do is I want you to look at these 3 questions here. How long is Gloria's pencil? How long is Mateo's pencil? And then how much longer is Mateo's pencil than Gloria? So why don't you pause the video and just see what you come up with, okay? For Gloria, Mateo, and then Mateo's pencil than Gloria's. So pause the video and check and see how you did. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you took some time to figure this out. Let's figure out Gloria's pencil here. Now, what we're going to do is we have 1. Gloria's pencil's right here, and see the dotted line down to here. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we have to figure out what these markings are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but then we have these larger markers here, which would be quarter. So Gloria's pencil is 3 inches and 3/4 long. Okay. Now, if I wanted to, I could also say that it is 3 inches and 6/8 long, depending upon which hash marks we're talking about. Because now when we look at Mateo's pencil, we have 1, 2, let's change our colors here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4, and this goes to the larger hash marks are quarters. So it would be 4. Oops, that's not a 4 at all. It's going to go to 4 and 1/4. Or I can also write it 4 and 2/8, depending upon which language I want to talk about. It doesn't matter which one I talk about, it really doesn't, as long as you are consistent. Because I cannot go force and eighths and force. I have to make sure that both my languages are the same. And we're going to be working on that coming up in the future. We're really going to be working on focusing on making sure that that our fractions are a common language. So then the next question is, how much longer is Mateo's pencil than Gloria? And what we need to do is we're going to take Mateo and we're going to subtract Gloria. Now, the one thing, we have to make sure we're using the same, the fractions with the same language. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose this one right here. So I'm going to take, we need to go with the 4, and my 4 and 1/4 less 3 and, oops, that's not good. I apologize for that. 3 and 3/4. Now, one thing we need to do is we need to set these up so they are a vertical problem. So I'm going to just slide that over here. 4 and 1/4 less 3 and 3/4. Now, same language, so we're okay. 1 less 3 I can't do. Go to my neighbor and I borrow 1. 4 becomes 3, and I'm going to take that 1 and I'm going to transport so it looks like 4/4, because that, again, that is 1. Now when I add those, I'm going to have 5/4, and then I'm going to slide that over, and I'm subtracting 3/4. 5 less 3 is 2/4, and then 3 less 3 is 0. Again, write the 0, or don't write the 0. It doesn't matter as long as you know that it is 0. So our answer is 2/4 of an inch shorter. So whoops, I need to get my pencil again. 2/4. Oh, I don't know what is going on with my stylus today, but it is not liking me. 2/4 shorter. All right, so that's that problem. The next question is I'm going to ask you is how much shorter, let me get my typer here, I just made that word up. How much shorter is Andrew's pencil than Helen's? So again, why don't you pause the video and work this problem and see what you get. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for this one we need to figure out how long Andrew's pencil is and how long Helen's pencil is. So let's start with Andrew here. We went 1 inch, and then we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8. So it's 1, 5 eighths. Helen's is, we go all the way up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 3 eighths. Now, to figure out how much shorter Andrew's is, we're going to take Helen's, and I'm just going to go Helen's pencil minus Andrew's pencil, and that'll give us the difference. So I'm going to take Helen's pencil, which is 5 and 3 eighths, and I'm going to subtract Andrew's, which is 1 and 5 eighths. Ugh, stylus not liking me. Now, 3 less 5 I cannot do, so I have to go and let's switch colors. 5 becomes 4, and I'm borrowing 1, but I'm going to bring it over in the language of eighths. And now I'm going to add those together. I'm going to get 11 eighths less 5 eighths, and I'm going to get 6 eighths. And then I have 4 less 1, and sorry, this is such a mess, 5th graders. Slide that over here. We're going to get 4 less 1 is 3, and then we have 6 eighths. So 3 and 6 eighths inch shorter. All right, so that's kind of another way of comparing. We did the visual up here, and then we subtracted. Okay, so that's how we compare fractions. Video 4 is going to be your practice. So good luck.